branches. The IPR means intellectual property rights. It is the rights given to the person over the creation of their minds. Means if you something design someone, then their own minds, then that rights is nothing but the intellectual property rights. That is, it is give to the creator an excessive rights over their creation for the certain period of the time. That is nothing but the IPR. The intellectual property include innovations, literatures, artist masterpieces, designs, title, pictures or logo which are commonly used in commerce and business. Such creations are prone to plagiarisms or copyright. To protect them from the plagiarisms, the creators or owners of such property are vested with several rights, and it is called as intellectual. IPR rights are granted to creator of intellectual property so that their creation cannot be used by the other without their permission. This includes right to reproduce such works. Second is right to sell such work. And third point is right to create other form of such work, etc. So, intellectual property rights are used to convey